I am going to make no-bake cookies that are chocolate and peanut butter. Enjoy! Step 1, gather the ingredients. So the ingredients are cane sugar, organic cocoa powder, pure vanilla, peanut butter, butter, oat milk, quick oats, and salt. Line a baking sheet with parchment. Set your stove to medium heat. Add butter. Pour in 2 cups of sugar. Pour in 1/2 of oat milk. Pour in 1/4 cup of cocoa. Stir and boil for 1 minute. Let it boil for 1 minute. I'm turning the heat off. And we're gonna put some peanut butter in. And remember, be careful or it might splash back at you. Okay, stir the peanut butter. Stir the peanut butter. And put 1 tablespoon of vanilla in your cookie thing. Now stir in 3 cups of oatmeal. And if you don't have enough oatmeal, use some other cereals as well. This is crunchy. Stir until it's entirely incorporated. We are going to scoop spoonfuls onto the parchment. That'll be a long cookie. Let the cookies rest for 30 minutes and then enjoy 30 minutes later. These cookies can be stored for 3 days in the refrigerator. And I'm gonna eat it. Thanks, and remember to wash your hands.